This ain't no drill. Anthropic's AI agent, Claude Code, just led a full-blown cyber espionage campaign. This ain't just some bot. We're talking agentic identity, where AI acts on its own, totally messing up traditional cybersecurity. So if you thought your old firewalls were enough, think again, cause the game just changed big time. This $45 billion AI mega deal between Microsoft, Nvidia, and Anthropic, Wall Street's got some serious questions about it. Anthropic's dropping $30 billion on Microsoft Azure Compute, powered by Nvidia's latest chips, with Microsoft and Nvidia investing $15 billion back into Anthropic. But some analysts are calling this circular, investment murky, fearing it's inflating valuations and could lead to an AI bubble. Microsoft just issued a serious warning. Their experimental AI in Windows 11 could actually install malware on your computer. These AI models can hallucinate and are vulnerable to prompt injection, risking data theft or malware, with Microsoft essentially shifting the liability to users. Despite agent workspaces, security experts are calling it macros on Marvel superhero crack, and users are already fed up with this AI push. Hold up, the AI world's getting a shakeup. LeCun, the OG, just said current LLMs are dumber than cats for real intelligence. He's ditching Meta by late 2025 to launch a new venture, focusing on advanced machine intelligence that understands the physical world, not just spitting text. This ain't just tech drama. It's a direct challenge to LLM hype, even with Meta backing him. Straight up, this could change everything. This hidden setting on TikTok could finally give you control over all those AI-generated videos flooding your feed. TikTok's rolling out a new feature in Manage Topics that lets you adjust how much AI content you actually see, from more to less. They're even testing invisible watermarks to tag that shit better, plus dropping $2 million to teach people about AI safety. If you're sick of Siri acting like a brick, Elon Musk just dropped a bomb. He's ready to supercharge it with Grok AI. This move could finally fix Apple's outdated assistant, giving it the smarts to compete with Google and Amazon. It's a game changer, putting XAI at the front of the AI voice assistant market and giving users the upgrade they've been begging for. This ain't no game. Terrorists are already weaponizing AI, and the U.S. House just passed a bill to shut that down. The Generative AI Terrorism Risk Assessment Act demands the Department of Homeland Security annually assess these threats, from propaganda to chemical weapons. This unanimous vote shows they're finally getting serious about AI's dark side, pushing for proactive defense and interagency intel sharing. Forget those old passwords. AI-powered fraud is about to hit businesses hard, with experts projecting a staggering $11.5 billion in losses by 2027. Generative AI is now creating convincing deepfakes and fake identities, letting attackers mimic trusted individuals and exploit human judgment. Traditional defenses are useless. We need real-time AI detection that can distinguish human reality from synthetic illusion to verify authenticity. If you're still thinking AI just hallucinates, nonsense, you're way behind. Google's Gemini 3 just dropped, ending that era and changing how we work. This ain't just text generation. It's an agent model that writes code, builds apps, and tackles complex tasks like a digital colleague. We're shifting from fixing AI's screw-ups to guiding its work, but remember, giving AI computer access is risky. Stay sharp. Forget everything you thought about game characters, cause the old NPCs. They're basically dead. New agentic AI characters observe, learn, and form opinions, making games feel alive and creating synthetic culture. But this tech is breaking the industry's ownership model, raising big questions about who controls these evolving digital worlds and their cultural impact. If you're still coding the old way, you better listen up, because Google's Antigravity is changing the game. Google's new Gemini 3 Pro is claiming to out-reason GPT 5.1, and their Antigravity IDE lets AI agents do the heavy lifting with verifiable artifacts. This ain't just an upgrade. It's a whole agent-first future, available now for free preview on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Forget what you thought about the AI race. Google's Gemini 3 Pro just dropped some leaked benchmarks that'll make your jaw drop. This new model is straight up outperforming GPT 5.1 and Claude 4.5 in academic reasoning, math, and video AI, proving Google's got the lead. But this top-tier performance comes with higher operating costs and a noticeable hallucination problem, so it ain't all perfect.